Assalamualaikum. Today we group 7 will present our Java-based cyber cafe management system project. This project is developed by 3 members. Myself is Amir Razim Sani, along with Muhammad Zuhair bin Dian Zahari and Muhammad Haziq bin Zulkarnain. So for the introduction is the system is Java-based application with a graphical user interface GUI designed to improve and streamline the daily operation of a modern cyber cafe. It helps manage computer session, food and beverage order and automates billing for making it easier for both customer and administrator. These are the key feature of our system. First is PC solution interface, where user can select available computer. Number 2 is food and beverage add-ons. User can order snack or drinks. Number 3, automatic billing, charge calculated based on PC usage time and order. And lastly, admin or staff management, which is staff can track which PC in use by each customer. This is the interface that we do for our mini project. First is login customer, and then this is interface for PC and food selection. This is pay and receipt, and this is admin or staff management. However, there are some limitations we identify. First, email and birthday field during sign up cannot be validated. Number 2, customer can only purchase one quantity per item. And then number 3, staff cannot detect if a user start a session without choosing the number of hours. Number 4 is PC are only available again after staff manual update a file. And number 5, if payment only can be confirmed and must still be done manual by staff. In conclusion, the Smart Cyber Cafe Management System is designed to improve the efficient and user experience in the cyber cafe environment with features like PC selection, food and beverage ordering, automatic billing and admin monitoring. And then this system offers a modern solution for managing daily operation. It is user-friendly, time-saving, and editable for real business use. Now I will show the code for login interface. So we use Java program use a string to build a simple GUI that we call a CC, which stands for a cyber cafe. And the class CC extends JFrames to implement action listener, meaning it creates a window and handles button clicks. In the constructor, we start by setting a frame title to the CCS and using a body layout to manage component placement. At the top of the window in the notes section, we add a J label to display the message welcome to CCS. And then in the center area, we place 3 buttons. We place 3 buttons. The first is login, second sign up button, and then exit. These 3 buttons are grouped inside the panel called the panel button panel 1. To this frames center, then each button is wired with the action listener to allow program to respond when a user clicks them. Environment is if the login button is clicked, a new login window is open and the current window closed. If the sign up button is clicked, it opens a sign up window. And then if the exit button is clicked, it shows a thank you message. Then exit the application. So for the demonstration, Zuhal will show after this.
I'm going to explain about sign up Java class. This Java class is called sign up, which is will show the interface for user to register a new account. So this is label for user to enter the detail, text field, password field, 3 panel, sign up button. So this is the interface. The title is sign up. We set the size, default location, default close operation, and location relative to null, which is the center. So it opens a window with a title sign up, and I set the layout using body layout, which is label name, label pass, label email, and label birth on the west, on the left, while txt name, txt pass, txt email, txt birth on the right, which is on the east. So for the south panel, I only add the button for sign up. So this code action perform if the user click the sign button, but the username or password or email is empty, they will show please fill all required field. If all of this is already filled, a file writer will open and will enter the detail. So this is user txt. This is example of the user txt. But in login, we only need for username and user password. So we add two label, which is username and password, and add text field, and also one button for login. So when the user click the login button, as we can see, they will open the buffer reader to read this user txt, and they will look out for the username and password. If the username and password is true, it will break and the reader will close. But if not, they will continue to find the username and password. And then if found, new main menu will open. Else, it will show invalid username or password. But if there is error, it will show user file not found.
The GUI layout is divided into several sections using border layout and grid layout. For the top section, it includes PC selection sheets button. And then section is, the title is Cyber Cafe System, center panel, the size, background. For PC panel, the button will display PC1, PC2, PC3 until 6. And we add image of PC after user enter the click the button. The background is turned into green and will update to update summary. And then the second section include time-based booking. Is our panel. So this is the size. This is our title. Our customer will click the button to booking for 1 hour until 4 hour maximum. And then the third section allow user to pick food and drink. It called add-on panel. We have fries, burger, nugget, mineral, coke, and so on. And then we put image for the item. And then the right section display a live summary of the selection. The customer input, click the button. It will summarize the total price. So bottom we include total, pay, and back. And the bottom panel include total price and a pay and a back button. For functionality, each PC, hour, and add-on is tracked with a bullet array, like PC selected, hour selected, and add-on selected. When user click button, the value toggle the background color update and the update summary function and calculate the price. This for PC price, this for hours, and this for add-on, like drink or food something. User is booking, the PC button is disabled to show like it already booked by other customer and loaded from a file called book PC txt. So this is for after customer booking, it will save into the book PC txt. For payment, we show a QR code for customer to scan and make a payment. We show a image of the QR, and when customer done doing the payment, the admin will click the done button at the bottom layout. After clicking done, it's saved permanently in book PC txt at this. So a receipt will show summarize the booking hours and add-on. PC get disabled, cannot click the button again. And then persistent data is saved using save book PC and then save booking detail for book PC, hours, and add-on. Okay, for receipt, once paid, formatted receipt pop up in a new frame using JTEX area. JTEX area showing all the selection and total price and giving return option to the main menu. The system ensure a user-friendly experience for booking PC, food, timing, and payment, while also saving history across session. So that's all from me.
This is the first interface, which is we can see login, sign out, and exit. So we are going to sign up first. This is an example. Password, email. So for email and birthday, we cannot verify if the user put the correct format. So if the user didn't meet the requirement or put anything else, it also can be signed out. So just put back what we use for sign in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, login successful. Then we will go to the main menu. So for example, I choose PC4 for 3 hours and I want some burger. So after we click pay, this QR will pop up. Then the user will scan, but we don't know if the user really did scan and pay. So the staff or admin need to verify that on the counter. Done. And it will show the receipt. So okay. So if you want to order back, you can go to login again. If you don't, you can just exit. So I'm going to login again. We need to check if the PC is still able to click. So no, PC4 we cannot do again. So I'm just going to take other PC. Okay, pay. Okay, done. Okay, then exit. So exit, we will close all the program. So you can see the user txt. This is all the user and the PC booth. Wait, as you can see, PC4 and PC5, which is the PC that I booked, and the system will read this file and will align with the PC that cannot be booked. I think that's all for this demonstration. Thank you.